So it's finally arrived. It's taken 10 days. It's a 2 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater. It seems to be all there. Instructions aren't the best, but I'm sure YouTube will help me to get through that. So yeah, let's see how we get on. It's a bit smaller than what I thought it'd be, which is not a bad thing. But yeah, let's see how we go. So basically, I've just done a square in the floor, dropped it in. I've got the air going down that way. I've got the exhaust going this way. And I've got to seal it all round now. I've just got a grinder, cut a little square hole in the floor. Screwed it down. I'm just sealing around the plate now. All around it. I've got some ducting, temperature sealant, which should be fine. Right, so I think it's all in. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. If it's too loud, I'll just remove it and put it all outside. But yeah, we're nearly ready to go. Start connecting it all up, put some diesel in. Let's see where we go. Right, to prime the pump, you push OK and down same time, and it'll come up with H off. Then you push up, and it'll come up with H on. Then from H on, the pump will start clicking, and then it will go through the motion and then stop. If you need to do it again and again just to get it primed, that's how you do it. First start up. First start up. Ticking away. My leisure battery ain't up to much, so we've jumped it off the car battery. Now running on full power. The heat is lovely. Smells a bit, because it's brand new, I think. The smoke's clearing outside already. It's now been 10 minutes, smoke's completely cleared. There's nothing at all. It's running on full power. Still on full power. It's been 11 minutes now. The heat coming out of that is unbelievable. This is the 2 kilowatt one. Glad I went with that one, because a 5 would have been way too much.